Hey guys, it's Shy and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are doing a Splendies unbagging. I love Splendies. I do these every single month. Splendies is a women's underwear subscription. You get it every single month. It is $14.99, I believe. I think it's about $14.99. It just comes out, so I'm not sure. But they are made here in California from Santa Monica, and they come in this cute little bag, which I greatly appreciate because it is plastic, so if it is raining or you have crazy weather, they are gonna stay super secure. Right now, it is literally a torrential rainstorm outside and everything is flooded, so I appreciate this type of plastic packaging for the sake of getting my product to me safe. All right, so Splendies always comes in this cute type of like little package in the inside. So you will always have a sticker sealing it all together and some type of tissue paper. This is starting to go into winter, so I really like this tissue paper. I think it's really cute. I think it's one of the first times I've seen printed. Do they normally do printed? I don't know, maybe not this severely printed, but I really like that. I think it's cute with the snowflakes. This is, of course, the November box, or November bag. November bag, because it's not a box. Anyway, let's open this up. So, and then the one that I got for this month, I think is a mix. You can also do all thongs. You can really switch up your subscription depending on what is your panty preference. And then for a size reference, I am a 10 to 11 jean, depending on if they go by odd numbers or even numbers. And I wear size large in the Splendies. They fit me really well. Victoria's Secret panties, I can wear a medium to large, depending on the style. And then pink panties, I have to wear a large because they run quite snug. And I'm like, absolutely not. No muffin top here. So this is the first pair. It is a lace trim thong style. I really like this color combo. It is, of course, the red lace, which is really cute. It is like a perfect, like bright cherry red. And then the print on it is like little leaves, and it's got a blue background. I think this is really cute. I love their lace trim products because they are so stretchy. So it really moves with you and it doesn't dig, which is the best. So yeah, this is gonna fit great. I really am excited about this. I think this print is just cute. I don't know why I like it so much, but I really like, maybe it's just the color combo too, I really like. So now we're gonna grab the next pair. So the next pair is so cute. I love this purple color. So these are purple hip huggers. They have a really cute little like lace ruffly band and bows. If you guys know me, you know I'm obsessed with super girly things, and these scream girly and I love them so much. These ones are super stretchy as well, and I like that they do have more coverage. I live my life literally in jeans, so I'm always in hip huggers or boy shorts, and these are perfect. And I like how soft the material is too. And I'm literally like cannot get over like how cute that is. And I like that this isn't attached. It's attached to the top, but not underneath. So it literally is like this cute little panty ruffle. Love that. And then these ones normally do have little tags on the side as well that will tell you how much they are. Both of them were $12 so far, which would have been $24 for the 2 pair of panties anyway. So yeah. Oh, how cute. Okay, so, and then this is the last pair for this month. These are adorable. So these are definitely winter themed. I love this combo. I don't know what it is with the blue and the bright red, but I'm really into it. These ones are a cute little hip hugger, and they have little polar bears. Look at, oh my God, so precious. I literally love this so much. The, let's see. Super stretchy. I've been doing these Splendies videos for about a year now, if not more. So I know what to expect. I know it's gonna be high quality and I know I'm gonna be obsessed, but how freaking adorable. Oh my gosh. It's like a little like polar bear family. It's like, how cute. There's two right there, and then there's like a polar bear, like a little baby polar bear right there. These ones are really, really silky too. They remind me of the Victoria's Secret Very Sexy panties, like the old school cheekies that used to be like silky and trimmed in lace. Do they still make those? I don't even know. I feel like every time I go in there to shop panties, there are all these like strappy, like sexy things, and I'm just like, where's just like the cute, simple ones? That's all I want in my life. But yeah, I really, really like these. So all in all, I mean, I think the price point is a great deal for 3 pairs of panties delivered to your door. Oh my gosh, sorry, I keep like going over here. There is something in my eyelash. There we go. It was like a piece of my own hair. But I am filming this right now on Thanksgiving. So I'm feeling very, very thankful. And I just want to say thank you to all of my amazing subscribers. You guys are literally the best. And thank you to Splendies for like these adorable panties time and time again. Literally every single month are so cute, and I feel like they keep getting better and better. And I've asked them before if they're gonna eventually do a like Splendies shop, and they said it's in the works, which I think would be great because then I could just buy them whenever I want. And if I want extra ones, I can buy extra ones. Splendies does carry from extra large to I believe a 4X as well, so they're pretty inclusive size range. Of course, it's not going to fit every single person, but it's pretty good size range, I feel like, for a monthly subscription box. And then I always do have Splendies linked in my description box below. If you use Splendies in all caps, you do get money off your first month. That's not an affiliate code, that's just like a basic Splendies code. I don't have an actual affiliate code with them. I do always have a link in my description box though. If you click it, I can get a free panty if you sign up. Very similar to how like the ColourPop code is, where if somebody uses your ColourPop code, you get $5 and they get $5 off. It's like that type of thing. But it doesn't matter either way. I just really do recommend this subscription, and I think it's fun. A lot of you guys have gotten it over the past year as we watch these videos together and said that you really, really like it too. So it's exciting. But let me know if you guys got any different ones. I love hearing what you guys get because every subscription bag is a little different depending on, you know, your choices that you pick. If you pick all thongs or all hip huggers or a mix, it can vary. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this month's Splendy unbagging, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.